Hello children, welcome to channel Sube. Children, today I am going to discuss question number 6 from the MCQ part of 2022-23 Physics New Syllabus paper. Which one of the rays drawn in the figure is not correct? We have to find out the incorrect ray. So they have given a concave lens and a object also, and they have drawn some rays here. So children, to answer these types of questions, you must know there are three rules. According to three rules, we have to draw ray diagrams. So the first one is the ray incident on the optical center goes directly without bending. So the optical center is this center of the lens. So the rays that incident on this optical center must go through the lens, must leave the lens without bending, like this straight, as a straight line it should go without bending. So according to that first rule, this ray, the ray D is correct. It is correct. It doesn't bend, so it goes straightly. So after the lens, so it is going directly without changing its direction. So that one is correct according to this first rule. Then the second rule is the ray incident parallel to the main axis goes across F. So main axis is this one. This one is the main axis. So the rays parallel to the rays incident parallel to the main axis. So this one is parallel to the main axis. Coming from the top of the object, it is parallel. So that ray should go after the lens. When it is leaving, how should it go? Across F. So there are two F points, two focal points here, but regarding these concave lenses, it goes across this the focal point which is situated at the closer to at the side of the object side, at the object side. So it should go across that F, not this one, not this one. It is not going through this one because it is true for convex lenses. It is true for convex lenses. If I draw it, if it is a convex lens like this, the parallel ray like this coming, it goes through this F, right side, the focal point, not at the object side but at the other side. So according to the second rule, so this ray is correct. It is going, it is leaving as if it is coming from this focal point. The ray incident parallel to the main axis goes across F, so it is going across F, but not as a real ray. It is virtually it is going through F, so it is correct therefore. Then this one is correct. The third one, the ray incident across F goes parallel to the main axis. So that this one, the ray incident across F. Across F means this F. You have to keep in your mind which F. These rules are these rules are valid for which F. You should know, because it is opposite between concave and convex lenses. So therefore you have to keep that in your mind. So the ray incident across F goes parallel to the main axis means here we have to choose this F, this focal point. So it is correct now. It is coming towards F and it is going parallel to the, leaving parallel to the main axis. So this one is correct therefore. Then C. The C is coming from the bottom of the object like this. It is coming from the bottom of the object, but however it is incident on the main, not main, this what we call optical center. It is falling on the optical center and it is going without bending. So it is according to the first rule. So it is correct. Therefore it is correct. This one is correct because it is falling on the optical center and without bending it is leaving the lens. The ray incident on the optical center goes directly without bending. So it is correct. Therefore, then the final one. Final one is this one. So it is wrong actually. Why? If it is fallen towards this F, so that must go parallel to the main axis, so that is correct. But it is not valid for this F, left side F, that is the F at the object side. The object side F is not valid for this one, that is valid for only convex lenses. For convex lenses it is valid. That means if a ray came like this across this F, it goes like this parallel to the main axis. So that ray is valid for convex lenses. This one is correct for a, if this lens were a convex lens, then this ray is correct. So this one is wrong. Therefore only these four rays are correct. This one is wrong. Therefore the answer is this one. This one, wrong one. We have to choose the 6, question number 6, 5. Correct. So children, I think you understand this. This one is not a big issue, but if you don't know this ray diagram rules, you can't choose the correct answer. Now children, I will show you how to draw this wrong ray correctly. First of all, you have to find out the top of the image. So this ray is leaving like this, so you have to extend it like this, so that it goes virtually across the F point F, like this, dash lines, because it is a virtual, this part is real. So like that you have to draw it. Then you have to choose another ray coming and going according to the rule. So these two are, and also you can use this B or even. So I use only 2. So this ray I don't convert into dash lines because real image, at both sides it is real image. So the image is now formed here. Image is formed here. The top of the image is formed here at this crossing place. Here, like this, the image is formed here. So I am not going to draw the image because then it will be blurred, not clear. Therefore I don't draw it. Just I choose this point. Use green color. This point I mark. So across this point, all the rays should go after leaving. All the rays should go after leaving because this place is the image. So after leaving the lens, all the rays should leave as if it is coming from the top of the image. So like this one is correct. It is going across this point, and this one is correct. It is going across this point, and also this one is correct. It is going across this point. So all the rays should go. So the same way this ray also should go across this point after leaving. So like this, it must cross this plane like this, the incident point. So this one we should convert into dash lines because it is virtual. It is not a real ray. So like this, the real part is this one. So this is the ray, correct ray. This is the correct one. So this one should go like this. not like this, not like this. This one is wrong. This one is wrong. And also there is another method. You can check whether this ray is diverging or converging. So after a concave lens, all the rays should go like this, diverging. Like this, diverging, not converging like this, not like this, diverging. So this ray, if we say the original one, this one is converging or diverging, came like this and converging like this. It is bending towards the principal axis. But if this one is a concave lens, if it is a concave lens, it should bend away from the main axis, away from the main axis. So all others are bending away like this. This one came like this and away towards this way, and this one came like this and going this way, so towards anti-clockwise. So this one also came, if it came like this, and it should go like this away from the central, this main axis. So but they have drawn it, it is like this, it is bending towards the principal axis. So it is converging, so it is converging, so it can't happen. If it were a converging lens, so it would have happened, but now it is a concave lens, so it should be like this. So therefore the correct ray should be like this. It should be a diverging ray, not a converging ray. So you can use both methods. Either you can use this rule, so diverging and converging you can check diverging and converging. If it were a convex lens, all the rays converge towards the principal axis. But here, since this one is a concave lens, so all the rays, however, should bend away from the main axis, principal axis. So like this, whatever the ray, if it came like this, it should bend like this towards out of the principal axis. So I think you can understand now. This question is not a difficult one. If you know these two, either this ray theory or this rules of rays, or if you know converging and diverging to check, then you would have answered this one easily. So children, I think you are happy, so you have to make me happy too. You know how to do it by subscribing my channel if you haven't still subscribed it, but already if you have subscribed, don't subscribe again, then it will be cancelled. Then what else you can do? You can share my link among your friends and you can give me a thumb up, a like, and keep the bell icon pressed, and write some comments. So children, let us see tomorrow at 6 o'clock again. Goodbye.